Hi folks, this is David Duncan, President of the American Battlefield Trust. I'm coming to you today from the Cold Harbor Tavern. We are at the site of the Cold Harbor Crossroads on the Cold Harbor Battlefield in Virginia. We are on the site of a 20-acre parcel of land that you helped us save last year. It is immediately adjacent to a 50-acre parcel of land that we, the American Battlefield Trust, saved a couple of years ago that, but for us, would have become a sports complex for the county. Today, we are on this very important piece of ground to take down the structure that you see behind me. This is not a historic structure. It is a post-war house. As you can see, it is in need of some repair, but instead of repairing it, we're going to take it down today. We're going to demolish it. We're going to restore this landscape to what it looked like, and then through archaeology, we're hopefully then going to find the footprint of the original wartime Cold Harbor Tavern, which was a main feature on this battlefield at the time of the battle. Thank you for your support in helping to save this property and to help restore it to the way it looked during the war. And with that, let's get on with some knocking stuff down. There you go, folks. We got it down, or we're getting it down.
Thanks, Marvin.
Thanks to our contractor, Marvin, for working on this for us. And pretty soon we'll get all this debris pulled out of here, and this will be a restored battlefield once again. So thank you all.